Echo 5 Foxtrot, this is Hitman 2 Actual. You are approved to engage in 5 mics.
You guys know that a couple years ago I started my journey into the PRS and long-range competition game. I've been extremely happy with all the equipment, but I think it's time to maybe upgrade the scope. Welcome to Ghost Tactical. My name is Trey, and today we're going to go through the 5 rifle scopes that we're looking at to maybe possibly upgrading for our rifle. If you guys out there have used one of these, then go ahead and let us know what you think in the comments, and also in the comments section, let us know which one you think we should get. Now for today's list, we're not going to rank them 1 through 5 and what we think is the best. We're going to go alphabetical order. Let's get going. First on our list is the ATN X-Sight 4K Pro 5-20. The really cool thing about this is it's a digital scope. It's run by a dual-core processor and Ultra HD sensor. It's a great combination to satisfy your needs 24/7. It's got a rich color palette for daylight and a sharp black and white image at night. It comes with a one-shot zero adjustment, a ballistic calculator where every point of impact is adjusted automatically with consideration of ammo type, range to target, environmental data, all that cool stuff. It has recoil activated video, so it focuses on the target. It senses the recoil and the video is automatically stored on the SD card. The great thing about it is it's low power consumption, but it can dual stream video recording via Wi-Fi, so I'll be able to video every single shot that I take. I'm really interested in this. I'm not sure if I can actually use this in competition, but it would be a hell of a fun thing to use for range shooting and all of that. More importantly, just to have fun. So the first one we're looking at is the ATN X-Sight 4K Pro 5-20. Next up on the list that we're looking at is the Leupold Mark III HD. Now, I've always been a big fan of Leupold as they make some of the best scopes in the world. This one I'm really excited about. It is a 3-to-1 zoom ratio, so it comes in at 8-to-24 × 50. It has high definition lenses. It's got the Leupold custom dial systems. It has the zero stop. The side focus adjusts the scope's parallax. It's got a removable throw lever, which I love, and it's waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof. It is a second focal plane scope. One of the great things that I love about this is the low magnification eye relief is 5.5 inches. The high magnification is almost 4 inches. That's pretty amazing. This one is one of the first ones I thought of when I started looking into scopes. So let me know what you guys think of the Leupold Mark III HD. The third scope we're looking at is a NightForce SHV 5-20 × 56. About the only complaint NightForce ever hears about their scopes is that they're not cheap. But they have built one that's just a little bit more affordable. That's the SHV scope. The SHV brings a NightForce quality scope to a price point that's within reach of the wider range of hunters and shooters. This is a 5-20 × 56 scope with a 30mm tube. Its adjustments are a 1/4 MOA for both elevation and windage, with a generous 80 MOA and 50 MOA range respectively. It is a second focal plane reticle and should outperform most scopes in its price range. It does not come with a zero stop, but it does come with multiple reticle options, including illuminated reticles. It is fog-proof, shock-proof, and has the fast focus eyepiece. Now, I usually like mil reticles, but this has an MOA, which if I wanted to get into a NightForce, I could probably be okay with, but I do like the mil reticle. I put this on the list because it's a NightForce that I could probably afford. So guys, let me know if you have any experience with this and what you guys think of the NightForce SHV 5-20 × 56. Next up on the list is the Trijicon AccuPoint TR23 5-20 × 50 scope. This scope gives tactical shooters, and really any shooter, the ability to accurately extend their range in pretty much any light. The battery-free illuminated reticles are always on using tritium and fiber optic technology. It comes with an easy focus eyepiece. The throw lever is repositionable to accommodate different shooting positions. You can use both eyes open to shoot using the illuminated reticles and the BAC feature to provide the clear aiming point. And this does come with the mil dot crosshair. The eye relief on this is about 4 inches, which is not bad. It's a little bit more than some of the other scopes out there. That I like a longer eye relief, especially for competition shooting. It lets me see more. The day and night reticle is green. And like I said, the illumination source is fiber optics and tritium. So let me know about the Trijicon AccuPoint 5-20x50 TR23. And the last optic that we're looking at is from US Optics. It's the TS-20x 2.5 to 20 by 50 millimeter. The US Optics TX20 is built to meet the rigorous demands of long-range hunters and precision competitors. Its wide range of magnification and parallax adjustments allows you to dial down to 2.5 power for up-close shots and dial up to 20 power when you need to reach out past 1,000 yards. It is a first focal plane optic, which I like. The field of view is anywhere from 7 out to 45 feet at 100 yards. The elevation knob comes in at 1/10 mil with up to 32 mils total travel. The windage knob is 1/10 mil for up to 30 mils of total travel. This is a great option. I really love US Optics. So let me know out there if you have any experience with the TS-20x. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'm looking really forward into getting my next upgrade in the scope. I've got a couple in mind that I'm leaning towards. I'm leaning towards the US Optics or the Leupold, but I want your guys' input. Let me know if you have any experience with any of these, good or bad comments, and let me know what you guys think I should do. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. We'll see you soon. Semper Fi. Are you in the mood for some more awesome 2A content? Then make sure you check out our website, ghosttacticalproductions.com, and check us out on all of our social media platforms. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified about our latest videos. Till next time, Semper Fi.